Stop, stop! Who's coming through the jungle? It's Ellie! Way out in the jungle, what do we see? Something as big as a giant tree. He's got 4 legs like heavy pillars. He's the king of all the thrillers. Stomp, stomp, Ellie, go stomp. Through the grass and through the swamp, with a big loud trump to toot, toot, toot. Ellie the elephant, we love you. Look at his nose, it's very long. It's a trunk that's super strong. He picks up sticks, he picks up fruit. He gives a little toot, toot, toot. Big floppy ears go flap, 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 like a giant leafy cap. He hears the birds, he hears the breeze, he hears the monkeys in the trees. A tiny tail goes swish, 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 granting every jungle wish. Shooing the flies left and right, Ellie is a happy sight. Splish splash, Ellie's in the lake, a giant bath he's gonna take. He fills his trunk and sprays it high, like a rainbow in the sky. Splash, splash, splash. Crunch, crunch, sugar cane is sweet. It's Ellie's favorite treat to eat. He eats his greens, he grows so tall. He's the kindest of them all. If a little kitten gets stuck in a ditch, Ellie saves it in a hitch. He with his trunk, he lifts them high, up towards the sunny sky. Now the sun is going down, Ellie's heading back to town. Close your eyes, no more stomp, no more splashing in the swamp. Good night, Ellie. Good night.